Access a world of trading possibilities with Mugon Markets. Trade over 200 plus Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, and explore the exciting realm of crypto and spot metals, all with spreads as low as 0.1 pips. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Mugon Markets has the tools and features to enhance your trading experience. Why is Mugon Markets the best choice for traders? We provide an enhanced trading experience with transparency and superior service. Our MT4 platform offers easy and seamless trading, allowing you to execute trades with ease. Explore our PMM marketplace and choose from a diverse selection of pro traders, diversify your portfolio, and discover various expert advisors to enhance your trading strategies. Experience the power of ECN execution at Mugon Markets. Our pure order matching execution system eliminates middlemen, ensuring faster and more efficient trade executions. With our seamless crypto deposits and withdrawals, you can enjoy instant transactions while maintaining the highest level of security. Your safety is our top priority. We provide a secure trading environment that keeps your identity protected and ensures a seamless trading experience. Say goodbye to delays and enjoy uninterrupted trading with Mugon Markets. Getting started with Forex trading is as simple as only 4 steps. Sign up, deposit funds, download our user-friendly trading platform, and start trading. Open a live account to dive into the real market or practice your skills with a demo account to gain confidence before making real trades. Join Mugon Markets, the people's FX broker, and unlock your trading potential. With a transparent and superior trading experience, a wide range of account types, and advanced trading platforms, we are here to support you every step of the way. Join now, joining link given in the description, to open your live or demo account and take your trading to new heights. Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the most accurate non-repaint Forex trading M4 indicators. This indicator will make your analysis much more precise and your trades more accurate. Thanks to the smart trend analysis calculation mechanism, you will recognize the trending market and you will be able to open transactions in line with the big traders. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. When the blue or red box is found on the chart, then you have to place a buy or sell trade on the next candle of the black arrow candle. You have to set the stop loss at the position received by the black arrow and close the trade when the opposite arrow is received. Best work for any candle time frame. Also avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter, we are going to take backtest of this indicator, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. Free download this indicator, link given in the video description. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.